like Christmas. I love Imbolc. I remember growing up and looking up to all the musicians. I remember going to the gigs and even festival club trying to sneak in and all this. But no, I loved it. Even now, it is really one of the highlights of the calendar year.
Like the sun between the rain, I see her now and then, and the sky above comes fading into view. And to see her once again, I will wait here till the end.
So doing the God, Sunday for no the rush, or scream them alive like let you come, wash your days and do the wrong. There are rugov gan rahada hín chuidir módas na fili up to bhí sin mar pátrúna ag na seanna gael ach faoin am a bhór sé bhás hí an cóir sin tiite has a chéile. So scríobh sé ag dús a héal scríobh sé filiocht ag tuairt mulla do chud fátrún agus a bhíon deireadh a héal ba fila na cosfuinte ré.
I like a song that tells a story, and I like the element of stagecraft that is connecting with an audience through storytelling.
Now here's a question for you. Are you a singing crowd? Will you join in? Thanks for writing. I got your note, the one you wrote to say hello. Thanks for writing.
Try and kind of take some of the atmospheres from the way we do folk gigs into classical music, into a classical music sort of setting. It's been such a privilege for us to come to Imbolc and work with Ryan Malloy and Sean O'Graham. It's just been an absolute joy.
Méhín ará rud éigean leis an chéadlainn eile caiim ará leo bheith sprí agah leis a cheoil. Sin an dóid leis an cheoil leis a cheoil a hainnim. Sin an dóid a seanim héin go bheith.